Today, many people are struggling with procrastination, laziness, and overthinking and are unable to stick to their schedule, diet, meditation, yoga. In the Art of Discipline course, I share simple and easy techniques that anyone can follow, anyone can do. It's not just theory, but practical day to day exercises that you can implement and see real changes in your life. I'm Captain Preetham Madhukar, a former sea captain, a high performance and leadership coach, TEDx speaker, and Amazon best-selling author of the book Three Culprits: Laziness, Fear, and Doubt. I share step-by-step techniques on what to do and how to do, and you will get access to the recordings for a lifetime. If you're part of my premium course, then you will get access to live sessions with me once a month, and you will also be part of a supportive community where you will get to practice your exercises and learnings. You also get a 30-day money-back guarantee if you're not happy with this course. So dive in and we'll take care of you. To build a winning mindset, what I need is a 5-minute commitment every day from you. If you can do that, then this course is going to be a game changer for you.